Hello and welcome back, beautiful people, into another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can remove your malicious software and virus from your PC 100% for free. For this you don't need to install any third-party software in your PC. So we can use our Windows tool for this. So if you think you have malicious software or virus in your PC, these tools can help you to remove your malicious software and virus from your PC. So for this we need to go to our run. So I just click on Windows plus R. So you can see it just open our run. From here we need to type MRT and click on OK. Now you can see our Microsoft Windows malicious software removal tool is opening. Now we need to click on yes. Now click on next. Now you can see there are three options from here: quick scan, full scan and customized scan. So if you think you have malicious software or virus in your PC, you can go with this full scan. It can take time and it will scan your full PC. So I'm going with the first one, quick scan, and now I'm click on next. You can also select this one. So I just click on next. Now you can see our scanning is processing. So it's scan your PC and check if any malicious software are available in your PC or not. So we need to wait some time for this. So guys, you can see no malicious software were detected. So I just click on finish. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel for more videos.